In this demo, we're going to show you the new Advanced Lookup feature. This works in addition to the advanced filters, and it can save you a lot of time, as it can avoid the need to have to write multiple lines into your queries. We can use this feature to quickly get a list of people who work at certain accounts. To do this, we're just going to select Edit Filters. We can then select the drop down here to add a row. I'm going to select company name. We'll then click here for the value. And when we select the drop down, you'll see that you get this option here where it says Advanced Lookup. We'll select that option. And now let's say I want a list of contacts that work at Fourth Coffee, AdventureWorks, Fabricam and Blue Yonder. I can select those accounts, click Done, select Apply, and you can now see a filtered list of contacts that work at all of those different accounts. And you can see that's quite a bit quicker than writing in multiple lines to a related entity search. That's one of the applications of using the Advanced Lookup. First of all, to switch on this feature, we just need to be within admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com/environments. You need to be an admin user to get into this area. Then select the environment in which you'd like to enable the feature. Then select Settings just here. We can then expand Products and then Features. And then if we scroll down slightly on this page, you'll then see just underneath the advanced find options that you have this option here, Show Advanced Lookup in Lookup fields within the Edit Filters. Once that's switched on, you can then start building your filters and saving yourself some serious time. A further time saving that you can have when using the advanced lookups is that you can make use of saved views. So in this example here, we're going to see how you can get a list of contacts that work at accounts that currently have open cases. To do that, we're just going to select the Edit Filters function here. We're going to add a row in the usual way. We're going to select in here company name. We'll then click here to the value and the drop down, and we'll then select this option here for the advanced lookup. We can then change the view here and select active accounts with open cases. We can then select all of the records in here. Click Done, Apply, and we now have a list of contacts that work at accounts that have open cases. And these are some of the ways that advanced lookup can be a nice time saver. We hope you found the demo useful.